everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Telegram Messenger on your Android device. Telegram is a free and open source cross-platform cloud-based instant messaging software, and it also provides end-to-end encrypted video calling, voice over IP service, file sharing, and several other features. The application is available on your iOS and Android. You can also download it on your PC and start connecting. In order to download Telegram application on your Android device, first, make sure you are connected to a strong internet. Once you are, tap open your Play Store, and once you do that, go to the top of the screen and tap on the search box. Type in Telegram into the search box using your keypad. Once you make your search, you'll be able to see the application displayed in the search result. Tap Install right next to the application to begin the downloading process. The downloading process will take a while depending upon your internet speed. So make sure to be connected to a strong internet in order to download your Telegram application faster and easier without any kind of a delay. Once the application has been downloaded and installed, you'll be able to see an Open button popping right beside the Telegram application. Tap on Open to start launching open the application. Tap Start Messaging and go ahead and allow Telegram to make and manage phone calls by tapping on Allow and type in your phone number in order to get started with Telegram. That is how you'll be able to download Telegram Messenger in your Android device quick and easy. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.